Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What did I do just now? It has lots of power. Oh, almost hit my head. See it in the background of the camera. Oh, I was going to hit myself. Alright, it's time to fly. Let's not talk more about these things. I'm going to fly the quadcopter, the Eachine Novice I-75, obviously with the supplied radio and with supplied video goggles, okay? And because the video goggles do not have built-in DVR, so I'm gonna run my Fat Shark Scout at the same time to shoot a DVR video so you know how things are going. And you can hear me doing commentary as well. So first off, let me just try the VR005 goggles on my head. Ooh, the strap is nice and tight. Takes my nose in. Lots of light slipping in from these sides. If I put hands like this, then very little light, but there's a light slipping in from down there. Okay, but anyway, it should be okay to fly with it. Let's give it a try, shall we? I'm gonna turn on the Fat Shark goggles. I'm gonna turn on the radio. And I'm gonna power the quadcopter with 2 batteries. Okay, and let's put the quadcopter somewhere here so I can take off from here. Turn on the video goggles. Okay, it's on. The image is not bad. I'd say image is just fine. It's really not bad image. It's very good. For beginners to start flying FPV, it's not bad. You have to adjust the goggles angle properly in order to basically get to the right feel. Now it does have a RSSI as well. Nice. Ooh, awesome. All right. So let's say Fat Shark, and it's recording the DVR. And here we go. So I will just fly it in, you know, stabilization mode. There we go. Okay, gotta get used to the feeling of this radio control. Ooh, did you hear that power? By the way, camera angle is adjustable, so you can actually adjust the camera angle to, you know, almost crashed. Oh, look at, I mean, that's what I'm talking about. It has plenty of power to climb up. So you can adjust the camera angle to fly, you know, faster. So far so good. Slight glitches, nothing serious. Here are many glitches. Uh-oh, I happen to disarm. So I will arm, and I hope. Okay, yeah, flip back. Yeah, baby, flip back. So disengage the flip back feature. Okay, got it. It was still in, whoa, look at the climb rate on this baby. It was still in, you know, flip over after crash mode, so the arm wasn't working. All right, I'm gonna switch the mode now. Air mode. Okay, now I'm feeling a little bit like kind of, you know, the radio doesn't respond the way I'm used to for the FPV whoops or quads on my. Oh, did you see that flip? I mean, the radio has, if I don't add the expo, it just has lots of rate on it. And look at the quadcopter precision flip. I mean, it just stays in that position where you flipped and left it. Awesome. And now I'm in Accra mode. Let's see what is the difference in Accra mode. Nice. The thing that I love about Novice-I 75 is its power. It has lots of power. Oh, almost hit my head. And given that if we had a good radio, really, this could have been a really amazing bundle. I mean, the radio is doing a very, very good job, but still, it's not that feel that, you know, that is on X9D or Futaba to fly FPV whoops. Because I've flown lots of FPV whoops on X9D, and nowadays I'm flying a toothpick on Futaba. So the feel of control, the precision of control that those radios offer, this radio does not have that. But again, given that this is the beginners thing, you know, this is definitely much more. Uh-oh. Now we gotta start, people. Okay, I flipped it back. Disarm, disarm, arm. To go pick it up. So to say, for beginners, this is definitely much more than they actually wanted. It flies really well on a stabilized mode. Alright, let's fly again. We are back. I'm gonna put it in air mode, okay? Armed. And here we go. So yes, I was talking about that the radio controls are basically, well, I have to get used to it, but basically they are not the way I want it or I'm used to, given that I fly Futaba and X9D, FrSky X9D SE with M9 Hall sensor gimbals, and definitely you are not going to compare those with this WT8 little radio that they provided here. But radio is doing absolutely a good job. You just have to get used to it. Quadcopter is absolutely fantastic. I can tell you that this is very powerful, very locked, and really it can get fast. Right now I'm not running those camera angles, but it definitely can get fast. Oh, how locked are those aerobatics? So to say, if you can go up and, you know, dive, very beautiful feeling. So controls are very, very nice for beginners on this radio, but for professionals or expert pilots who are used to better radio controls are not gonna feel very good at the moment in the beginning, but definitely they can feel better after, like I'm starting to feel better now after a little bit of getting used to this radio control. Now for the video goggles, they are working really nice. I have slight glitches when I go behind myself, but going this far everything is clear. I'm not sure how the DVR on Fat Shark Scout is recording, but overall the video goggles VR005 are doing absolutely a very, very nice job. So now I'm going behind myself. I'm gonna go a little higher. Now getting slight glitches, but overall image is nice and clear. And man, for beginners, they just want to fly nice and slow. They're not gonna do any aerobatics or crazy movements. So these goggles are doing more than enough. cutting some grass there. And this thing can go really fast, you can see. Oh, much more clear. It's like HD here. All right, record, air mode, and armed. Oh, yeah, I gotta get used to this radio's responses. What did I do just now? Quad has plenty of speed. You're not gonna worry about the speed and performance there. Look at that. This thing is definitely moving, man. Look at that. You can basically see it in the background of the camera. Oh, I was going to hit myself, and I just hit the disarm button. So, armed. I was flipped over and I was trying to flip it back. You have seen my other videos. I fly and do some freestyling nicely, but this flight is not like that. It's because I'm getting used to this little radio control here. It's really very, how to say, not that way responsive as I'm used to. It's very, very, very responsive. Way over responsive, I would say, and I gotta used to this. See, in stabilized mode, I'm almost there. You know, in a stabilized mode, I'm almost used to it, but in Accra Mode, I'm still struggling. I believe I gotta set. I gotta set a lot of, you know, expose to make it soft and nice, because in Accra Mode I am having a lot of issues getting used to this radio. But overall, you will agree with me, though I'm flying with the Fat Shark goggles just to enjoy this quadcopter, but you will agree with me that this is definitely a sweet bundle when it comes to beginners to enjoy FPV, or first to say, when it comes to beginners to learn to fly FPV whoop with a really nice and powerful whoop which does not break no matter how you're crashing it. It doesn't break. It's really very nice and, you know, sturdy and tough whoop. Beginners can learn to fly all they want. Lots of batteries with Fly More combo. They can enjoy FPV indoors and outdoors, and you know, once their skills are good, they can move on to better stuff. That is to say, they can move on to better stuff. Nice landing right there, baby. Alright, so here's the conclusion. Eachine Novice I-75 is definitely a 2 thumbs up. Absolutely fantastic FPV whoop. Plenty of power, plenty of speed, aerobatics capable, really nice and tough. Takes the crashes with a smile. This complete combo right here will get any beginner started in FPV whooping field. So you can start to FPV whoop indoors or outdoors right away with this. No need to worry about buying this and that. Thank you very much for watching this lengthy video. I still have 4 more flights to do, so I'm gonna enjoy sitting here and flying more FPV with Eachine Novice I-75. Thank you very much, Eachine, for releasing such an amazing FPV whoop bundle. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button.
right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.